We want to complete a table of values and graph the basic square root function, which is f of x equals the square root of x. But before we complete the table of values, we should discuss the domain of the given function. The domain is a set of all possible inputs or values of x for the function. And we know the square root of a negative number is not going to be real, therefore we can say that the domain would be x greater than or equal to 0. So we can only use values that are greater than or equal to 0 for our t-table. So let's start by using the x values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And notice how if x is not a perfect square, we're not going to be able to evaluate these by hand. So let's go ahead and use our graphing calculator. To do this, we're going to enter in the function into y1. So we'll press y equals, type in the square root function, so second x squared brings up the square root function x, close parenthesis. And now if we press graph, we will get a nice graph of the function, but we actually want points on the function, so we'll use the table feature. Before we do this, let's press second window for table set and make sure we have both of these on auto. If they're not on auto, we can go ahead and just go down and highlight them so it's flashing on auto and then press enter. And then from here we're going to press second graph, which brings up, as you can see, a table of values. And now we can scroll up and down and find the values that we need. Let's go ahead and record the corresponding y values for x equals 0 through 5. Notice how some of these values are irrational, so we'll round these to 2 decimal places. So when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is approximately 1.41. So we have 0, 1, approximately 1.41. And then when x is 3, y is approximately 1.73. When x is 4, y is 2. And when x is 5, y is approximately 2.34. So as you can see, by looking at the table of values, if we had to do this by hand, we would want to select x values that were perfect squares, so y simplified perfectly. So the next perfect square would actually be 9, since 3 times 3 is equal to 9. After 9, we'd have 4 times 4, 16. Notice the square root of 9 is equal to 3, and the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So if I go back to the calculator, notice as we scroll down, the y values are going to be irrational until we reach x equals 9 and then x equals 16. Let's go ahead and plot some of these points so we can sketch our graph. We have the point 0, 0, point 1, 1. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the point 4, 2. And then we have the point 9, 3. So even though we've only plotted 5 points, this is enough to make a nice graph. F of x equals the square root of x would look something like this. Of course, we can verify this on the calculator by pressing the graph option, which looks just like our graph. Notice how graphically we can also verify the domain. All the x values of this function start at 0 and move to the right, so x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, I hope you found this helpful.